na grada so no mbekotumu ye so mbekwakoto asori ni mu a the bokete ye dia banti the new republic and this asem na ba ya eka ho asem se ye se omo akwa asori ni bi na omo agyan no ene e bi mu krompo egusu mu no ubeka ya emra chema wuntumi.
Hey, what's the Martina na what I've heard no minim say what's the missionaria it concerns Agrada Mama Pat Evangelist Patricia Ishidua Odru indeed no na sisia ne de Evangelist Mama Pat na sisia ne oni enye India group bi mu sisia no oni prisoners for I want some prisoners sisia oni omo ye den asode na ade na nikuru and we take over the church because na our asode wo ha ode ye the businesses because the business because Agrada de na anyes asode no no run you that woman na she dey run business she dey be business pure business she dey do nothing of like Christ or nothing like Christ no it no be any Christ no Christ dey in church inside. Yeah, that one I go fit tell you for free. I am bold enough to say Christ was never the center of in worship or in church or in fellowship or in anything where you do for that place where they call church. Yes, I don't know whether Jesus or God had visited them before. Well, now as they imprison so their husband rise to the occasion, say, okay, the husband they call himself pastor, no problem. But he must be where he can't take over the church. Where right now, no, he must be safe. Yeah, you because cast some video be then you go down in his where they beg Ghana. That be like a week ago. He beg Ghanaians where he beg President John Dramani Mahama for forgiveness. Say if there's any wrongdoing be or if there's anything that he and the wife Agrada has done to offend President Mahama and Ghana, they are really, really sorry. However, I made those maybe remorseful apologies and all that. Sure, we are hearing that Yoko, the Economic and Organized Crime Office, then they look at that building. They won't close the church. They won't make sure say that church. They won't expire the church. They won't make sure say the church is no more functional. Yes, the church is no more operational. That is what we've gathered. Like Adom FM presenter the way he just talked for there. He being blew there. This thing. He said that is just according to the Herald or the Spectator or something like that. Where you see Charlie. Right now the Yoku headed by Raymond Racha, they won't clamp down the church. Make sure that the church will only operate again. Yes. And this move is reported to have followed numerous complaints about alleged financial irregularities and suspected fraudulent activities at Agrada's Heavenweight Champion International Church. Because of these like fraudulent activities, no be anything. Because then they believe that Agrada was when at the time when she did the church there before the sentence no, not she they use the church they use in position as general overseer and pastor to deal people. That be what they do. So they suspect say no, the hospital go follow suit. But you go do them lucky, go do them energy. So it's better to rather clamp down the church, close down the church. Master, big bank safe way. Join Kufado's area. Big bank, UT banks all safe. Where it employed people. It made sure that people were taking care of their families and all that. Unibank, lot of banks, GN Bank, Pankosindum Bank safe. Don't close them down. Where Heavenweight Chapel, we call Lord there. Heavenweight Chapel. That place rather they take money from people. They take money from people. Then go clamp them down. Then go close them.
Nana Agrada so no mbekotumu. Yeso mbekwakoto asori ni mu a. The worker ye dia banti the new republic and this asem na ba ya eka ho asem say ye se omo akwa asori ni bi na omo agyan no. Ene e bi mu krompo egusu mu no. Ubeka ya emra chema wuntumi ekwedi sense me wo yoko no na party foko gu ho gidigidi won say ye hu video bi na Agrada ene ni kunu esiama ekwa yoko ho no
we kwa kasa jama ono ne ho anointing na wo mugina so a wo
na so dem san krofo ko eyoko ho say na wo ba bi onye ne sika ena ne sika mo mi sam hwehwem ni ade no ene ne nsem o kan de mitminta radio so nka say yoko gu so ye hwehwe mu no mo se complain ni bi o manya ne kire say o de asori dan no aye kataso momuaso ena wo di dwuma bi wo hon ma sije entwa yie ti wo tintim nkrofo sabo nkrofo pojom sika ne ade enti iyoko ye hyehyemu a ye kasei no wo mu guso dendenden aso mu wie bibia sije ne je se de beba besi ane se ngia se ma adwope megaphone no de chi krom
ekoye evangelism
cause I saw down there closely matata ne je se no
So according to the New Republic, the Iyoko's investigation or the Iyoko's intervention follows a growing number of complaints that concerned citizens and former congregants alleging financial impropriety, misappropriation of funds, and deceptive schemes operating under the guise of religious worship. The impending Iyoko action comes amid Agrada's many legal battles or many legal troubles in recent times, one of which has ended here in her being sentenced to 15 years in prison without labor. On July 3, 2025, Agrada was convicted and jailed for fraud and charlatanic advertising, marking the end of a lengthy legal process that began with the arrest on October 9, 2022. Into Agrada there, on in October 2022, no Jane said, "Oh, the object me court into judgment me a bind to me and maybe a new besunimu. Ampo, and one and a win to a yen say no bit my dear paint because we should you know yen one. Obianka oko court panka o asimuno. Lanka since that time, Lanka so judge no yen in Lanka. Or start to say, oh, yeah, or yet, dear, fata, a few and a minimum, only penny no. Or no mom, put or no moon, no Jimmy, no yen, no bread, yeah, time. Oh, sorry, them. It did dear man for atem or so. No, can we try city, or so for, sorry, them. The be a mecasana, I don't even blame her. I blame Sir, Sir, Nkofona, Musi, Omuye Christopher, Musi, Omuka, or Honor. Omuna is a Jimmy Baton. Because Ubet now, I'm away, I bet you so penny you are studied there. Now, that's when they be doing him, can't call him there. And the one casano, they do it in a soon. Because you are so I dream, I will come to me who dear yet, and the wound yet. So, won't me who say, I grad and nobody in it yet. Now, one casano, we are the ye bar.
I don't know what
I don't kunipa or kunipa but it was ya so be I found the camera or baby or be at me ya do pay and I make a look yes you know no so aye and I dey see be tafache what to see and na say 10,000 now account so because of bra non double na say be ade or magic so ya magic but say why say why and then in the first and the last no should be na mu be na say kill and
Meeting Kobe Ajiti High Celebrities Updates Television. Subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell. Don't forget to say you also share this video. Send it for us when you be. Until we meet again, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.